Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to increase space between letters. This is very simple, just follow my steps. First, select all the text like right here, or click on Command A or Control A if you are on Windows. Then simply go to Edit, click on Find and Replace, and now simply press a space, so it will find all of the space in your text, and then press the space 2 times right here in Replace With. And this will basically allow you to replace one space with 2 spaces. You can insert as many spaces as you want, so let's say I will insert 3 or 4, and then just click on Replace All. Now, as you can see, when you close this window, you can see the spacing is different between letters. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.